Hello guys, Phil here from QuanshengRadios.com. First video on our channel here. I wanted to do a simple unboxing video because this is the classic Quansheng radio. This is the UV-K5. And I would say that's probably the most popular one today. They have the new one, of course, the UV-K6, which is a little bit improved compared to this one. And then there's an odd variant called the UV-K5 99. And honestly, it's not listed on the Quansheng website, but it is listed on Amazon. So I'm not sure if it's an aftermarket modification. It seems pretty similar, except for different firmware. It seems pretty similar to the K6. So I'm still sorting this out. If you've been on the website before, you know that I'm new to this stuff too. If you've not been before, please go visit QuanshengRadios.com. I try to write about this and help other people learn how to use these radios. So real quick before you open the box, one thing to note, it says Quansheng on the box right there, you know, and then it says Quansheng here. It's got some frequency information. You know, this is stuff you should know. Quansheng, you know, more features. It's got specs on the back. And then over here, it actually has Quansheng Electronics Company. So like, remember, I'm not an official YouTube affiliate of Quansheng Electronics. I'm an independent guy just trying to make videos and write content to help you guys figure out how to use these radios. But interestingly enough, my point is the model of the radio is on this sticker, but nowhere on the box. And I got a box like this, pretty similar with my UV-K599, but I've already tossed it and recycled it. So I'm kind of curious now if I got the exact same box and just didn't pay attention to it. The reason I mention that is because I saw a picture of somebody who had just gotten their UV-K6 recently, or the UV-K5-8 as some people call it. And their box was like a nice printed shiny color box. And obviously this is just cardboard with like printing on it. So let me know down below. Again, this was from Amazon in the United States, and I'll put a link for where you can get these things in the YouTube description as well. But I'm curious if you guys got the same box, and if so, where you got your radio from. So let me know down below, like what retail or what country. So anyway, opening it up. This manual is almost identical, if not exactly identical. It's about 18 pages. Yeah, 18 pages. So it's the exact same manual I got with my UV-K599, 18 pages plus the backside. The 99 has a little bit different firmware, so it wasn't 100% applicable, but so we got a manual here. Here's the radio itself. Let's go ahead and get this guy out of the plastic. Battery here, 1600 milliamp hour battery. Let's go ahead and put that in here. Let's see. Click. All right. Combo antenna here. Get it screwed in. I will put this lanyard on later. I will not make you watch me attach that. USB charging, interestingly, this does work. There are some limitations about it. Basically, you want to use this for emergency charging only, according to the manufacturer in that manual over there. And you're not supposed to transmit while charging. And this doesn't work on USB-C charging, doesn't work on modern chargers. Like I can't take my laptop charger or my cell phone charger and stick this in here with like a smart USB. It's got to be like a dumb USB-C charger. So basically like a power block with USB-A to USB-C. So it is technically USB-C form factor, but it's not super convenient because you can't use the same chargers you use for your other stuff like your Apple and Samsung phones and that kind of thing. So we have the radio. We got our little belt clip here. If I can figure out how to get that in there. There we go. It comes with a headset, which is pretty cool. I'm not going to pull that out, but it does come with a very, very basic headset here. Charging cradle. So this is the default charging dock, right? This is also USB-A. I don't have that here, but just slides in like that. So that's going to be your default charging setup. Not super great. It takes up a decent amount of room on a desk. This should be the power block. Here we go. Power block to go with the charging cradle, correct? Lanyard, and that is everything in the box. Now I'm curious. I have literally not turned this on. I opened it up and just wanted to show this for you guys. But here we go. Let's see. There we go. Welcome.
Channel mode 1.
There we go. And I will do more videos later for how to actually use this thing. But it is that easy to unbox and set up your radio for the first time. Again, we'll talk about how to use it later. But that's all I had for today. I just want to show you guys what you get in the box. So the specs are listed there, but it really is everything they say. So that's it for now. Check the links in the bio if you want to go figure out where to buy these things for yourself. I've got a link down there for Amazon. Maybe I'll add a link for AliExpress later on down the road. And I will have a link to the website, of course, as well. So thank you guys for watching. If you have ideas for more content you want me to make, I will keep making videos and writing blog articles. Drop a comment below, like, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye for now.